Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here we are just learning English, how to boost communications and how to learn English without environment. This kind of content we are learning, and in this just circle we have been learning too much great thought as well, and ideas as well, and fact as well, how to learn this language in our life. So I will just tell you, this is the very good things which is I've been getting from books and I've been getting from my life, and I'm sharing with you. If you'll stick with that and if you'll work on that, I will tell you, you will get a spectacular kind of result in your life, and you will get amazing moment and feelings. So I will just tell you, just please hit the bell icon before I begin my content, and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friend and family. And today content, let's dive in. And what is the today content? Today's one questions I have in my mind, and I have prepared and I have just read it a lot about that, and I found that is very genuine and perfect as well. And what is that? The things that I want to tell you, the things are just whatever in the world, or whatever things is, or thought is, or feeling is. Nothing is permanent in the world, nothing at all. Why I'm telling that? Because a lot of learner of anything at all, when they are just making some commitment, making their determination to learn any kind of thing in their life, they just make a lot of environment, they create a lot of thought and motivations, joy, entertainment, and they feel I can make it, I can do it, those things, whatever the things is running in their brain. But what happened after a month, after a week, after 2-3 months, they just feel bored, and they feel, oh, I can't make it, I can't do it. And after this feeling, what they do, they just stop their journey, they just give up. And when they give up, after 2-3 months later, they feel, oh, when I was working on my topic, on my syllabus or my purpose, I was being better, I was just developing my thought idea, I was becoming whatever I wanted to become. Then again we are restarting those things, and again they are following all those process which is they have done before. So much more person in the world, they are doing again and again, restarting, starting, giving up, restarting, starting, giving up. This kind of mentality, they are boosting, this kind of habituality they are getting in their life. So I will tell you, if you committed once to just do it in your life, so just don't stop in your life. And if you are stopping, so don't restart again, because here you are putting a lot of time, lot of effort, and you are getting nothing at all, nothing at all. And for these things, I will tell you, my dear brother and sister and my viewer, the things is very important. The happiness comes to you, you feel good. But when anxiety and boring things and unhappiness come to you, you do not feel good. So look, if you are happy, so one day you will be sad, okay? And that's natural thing, really natural things, it will come to you. If you're learning good manner, so bad manner will comes to you. Definitely that's a fair things. Nobody in the world who can say that I do not have weakness, I have only strength. No one can say that. So what the relevant thing I want to tell you here, the thing is that nothing is permanent, neither your happiness, nor your joy, nor entertainment, nor your pain, nor your boring things, na your stress, na your disease, nothing at all. Na you, na any kind of living things or non-living things. Nothing is permanent at all. So when you feel good, when you feel joy, when you feel better, so just follow your target. Just work more for your target and your ambitions, whatever you want to become. Put a lot of times and try to think positive, stay positive and confident, and work more on yourselves. But when your time being bad, you're feeling stressed, bad, alone and not good, so what you have to do, just don't take a lot of action in your life. Keep it in your mind, I have to become something, I have target to follow in your life, in my life, in everyone's life. Just try to follow it. Don't focus on your sadness, don't focus on your boring things, just focus on your good things, which will lead you to become some kind of person, which will lead you to make your identity. Just you have to care on that particular things, not the particular things which is you're thinking about to bore, sad, tired, many kind of things. That will not make you feel good. If we don't feel good, what we do, we just give up, we just sleep, we feel bad, we just feel alone. So the things I want to tell you, when the things comes in your life to feel good, poor, quit it or give up. So do one thing, think in your mind, nothing is permanent gonna to happen with you. Today have stress, but tomorrow it will be not, because no one is living their life painfully entire life. If they are trying to go out from pain, so of course they can leave their pain. If they're trying to become rich, of course they will become one day rich. If they're trying to be good persons, they will become good persons, if they're giving their 100%. So when the boring moment comes, just feel, this is the day, this is the moment. I am sad, but tomorrow my day will change. An hour, my day will get changed. Or 2 days later, my day will get changed. Nothing is permanent in my life. But don't forget it. When you are happy, you are enjoying your moment, and when you are feeling good relationship, think it. When the sadness will come, so you need to understand, figure it out yourselves. The pain or the happiness again is not forever, not permanent. Keep in your mind. And most probably also hear the things, when you feel bad, not follow your rule, your routines, your target. So don't stop your target just completely, like you are following every single day in your life. And when you feel sad, you do not do whatever you wanted to do, whatever you was doing before. So don't stop totally. Just if you was doing 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, so do 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, but do it on your time, because you cannot break your consistency and your routine. If you'll break, your mind totally will get diverted and distracted, and again when you'll restart, your mind will not work as it was working. It will make a lot of procrastinations and a lot of excuses. So just I will tell you simply, you have to follow your routine every day, whether you feel bored, anxiety, happy, bad, good, that doesn't matter, man. The success does not exist to care about your pain, your problem, your any kind of problem doesn't matter. The success is matter only one things: practice, 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 practice. Move forward, Move forward, move forward, move forward, and move forward. If you can't move forward, you can't make it. So anyhow, no matter how weak you are, anyhow, no matter what problem is going on, anyhow, no matter what situation is, anyhow, no matter what trouble is you with you, that is one side, but your success asks you to move ahead for me every single day towards my way, and you can get a success. Shortly, avoid the negativity and any kind of negativity from your life, to say yourselves, nothing is permanent. Today is not my day, tomorrow will be my day. Make your day better, feel better, follow it better, and you can get it. Hope so this podcast and this information will work with you so perfectly, and you will get benefit from it. I'm really damn sure if you'll follow these things, some days you will get benefit. And here I will tell you, thank you so much and take care of yourself. And for now, bye bye. I'll meet tomorrow.